Hey there guys, just wanted to show a very nice tool here. I believe this is called the Manager. And basically a manager, as far as my understanding goes, is a Rambler that has a pen on it. If you guys want to correct me if that's a mistake, just put it in the comments below. Now this is slightly bent. This was purchased used, and you guys can see that there. It's not a hard thing to fix. You know, with these thin blade stock, very easy to bend these things, and but still very functional. These knives are not meant for hard use anyway. You've got one of my favorite tools on the 58mm line, this combo tool, which is your bottle opener, wire crimper, and a small Phillips head at the tip of that thing. On the other side, you've got your standard 58mm scissors on the Victorinox line. The best in the business, I would say, best on these smaller tools. And you've got your standard, what we know now as the nail file with the screwdriver on the tip. Previously they used to have a different type of nail file with the older generations. Just want to show that to you guys. It was on my other video. This is the Cavalier. So the classic nail file didn't have that flat head screwdriver at the end. So the Manager has the pen, and it writes pretty well. I did purchase a new cartridge for this, so very nice indeed. And this comes with the ruby scales. You can switch the tweezer out with a toothpick if you prefer, though it doesn't, I believe it doesn't come with both, but you can switch them out if you purchase another set of another toothpick. I prefer the tweezers. So there you go. And I believe there are ones called Midnight Managers, and that has the light on the other side. Those are pretty cool as well. This one also weighs 1.1 ounces, just like the Cavalier. And here it is next to the SD, classic SD. So a little bit thicker right there. And as far as I know, again, this is a very similar tool set to the Rambler. Rambler is probably one of my favorites. Of course, this one, having that pen, is an excellent EDC. Really good tool. I believe they retail for around $45, $50, if I'm incorrect, maybe $38. So take a look at that. They're still on Amazon. Really good tool. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you all later.